Hey everybody, I've had this product for about 11 months now, and there hasn't been a single day I've regretted making this purchase. Now at a price of $749, and with monthly payment options on Amazon's Prime Visa card, this machine is a no-brainer for any coffee lover. Some key features I love are the built-in bean grinder, the grind control settings for different types of coffee beans, the hot water built in so you don't need to heat up a tea kettle, and the ability to switch between 1 and 2 shots of espresso with ease. I can't think of any one particular negative thing I can say about this machine, but if I had to be picky, it would be the descaling and cleaning every 3 to 4 weeks, and that's based on your usage. So for me personally, I use this about 3 to 4 times a day. For me personally, I use this about 3 to 4 times a day, so I'd say about once a month I either have to clean it or descale it, and the process for that is very simple. It's also just something to be mindful of, so you can keep your machine as clean and operating as functionally as possible for the long term. Since purchasing this machine about 11 months ago, I haven't purchased coffee at a coffee shop, and I highly recommend this without any hesitation.